Whether they're made from bronze, brass, copper, steel, stainless steel, aluminium, or some other material, commemorative coins from Boker's all feature the finest craftsmanship. Gold, silver, or chrome plating are also available for the ultimate sharp look. Hi, I'm Tim Webster. Boker's commemorative coins are used to celebrate and honour people, major milestones, anniversaries, achievements, places, events, or institutions on significant occasions. For example, when the company celebrated its own 100th anniversary, a commemorative coin was presented to each person who attended the celebration. Boker's provides dependable quality and excellent detail and is equipped with extensive in-house secondary operations to meet the demanding finishing requirements. Boker's stamped components cover a complete range of sizes, up to 12 by 12 inch flat, with thicknesses from 0.005 to 0.190, varies by material and draws up to 3 inches deep and 8 inches in diameter. So to find out more about Boker's custom coin production capabilities, visit bokers.com. And thanks for watching.